Good afternoon, everybody, and herzliches Grüezi aus der Schweiz. Thank you to all of you. I feel a lot of gratitude that so many people came.
La pizza.
What was your favorite part?
To win this Monopoly.
I think I made some good connections. Definitely recommend this.
It was really amazing.
Many of our students are targeting those universities.
Start at 25 to pay into a second.
With that, first when we look at retirement planning, we need to first talk about the problems before the solutions.
Purpose is to understand what is your buying power.
Even if you are working here, you can get loan there.
To go into employment and to go into the job market afterwards.
If I have the knowledge of this, how can I translate that to my behavior?
We do have, thank you, we do have.
I really enjoyed the experience, a lot of new connections.
Oh, yeah.